Ecobee smart sensors enhance your thermostat by providing temperature and occupancy data from different rooms. This leads to more precise temperature control and potential energy savings. Pairing is straightforward using the Ecobee app. First, open the Ecobee app on your smartphone. Follow these three simple steps. Select Add a device, then choose Room Sensor, and finally select Smart Sensor. You can pair the sensor by scanning the QR code located on the device, or alternatively, you can enter the pairing code manually. Smart sensors are compatible with various Ecobee thermostat models, including Ecobee 3, Ecobee 3 Lite, Ecobee 4, Smart Thermostat with Voice Control, Smart Thermostat Premium, and Smart Thermostat Enhanced. Important to note, as of April 2024, Android users are limited to using a single phone for the app to detect home or away status. Following these steps will successfully pair your smart sensor with your Ecobee thermostat, enhancing your home's temperature control and energy efficiency. For optimal smart sensor performance, proper placement is crucial. Position your sensor about 4 feet high on a wall or shelf, away from exterior walls, windows, and direct sunlight. The smart sensor communicates wirelessly with your thermostat using a 915 MHz RF signal with an effective range of up to 60 feet. This operates independently from your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth networks. If you encounter pairing issues, start by checking the battery. The smart sensor uses a CR2477 lithium battery with up to 5 years of life. Ensure it's properly installed and has sufficient charge. Try removing and reinserting the battery to reset the sensor. You can also power cycle your thermostat by removing it from the wall for 2 minutes. If the QR code on your sensor is damaged, you can use the backup code found inside the battery compartment for manual pairing. Looking ahead, while Ecobee has Thread support, it's not yet officially Matter approved. However, future compatibility with the Matter Smart Home standard is likely as the ecosystem continues to evolve.